Hello everyone. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful and widely used libraries in Python for data analysis, that is Pandas. If you have ever worked with data, whether it's organizing spreadsheets, analyzing trends, or preparing data for machine learning, you will find Pandas incredibly useful. But what exactly is Pandas? So Pandas is an open source Python library designed for data manipulation and analysis. It provides two main data structures, that is series and data frame, and that we will understand in detail in our further sessions. Pandas has become an essential tool for data scientists, analysts and engineers worldwide. Pandas is mainly used for data cleaning, so it is used for fixing missing values, removing duplicates, and handling inconsistencies. Second, it is useful for data manipulation such as sorting, filtering, grouping, and merging data sets effortlessly. It is also used for data analysis to perform statistical calculations and descriptive analytics. It can work with Matplotlib and Seaborn for the data visualization to create the charts and graphs. Pandas can handle large data sets and it can help you to work with millions of rows efficiently. And the major important advantage is you can read or write data from CSV, Excel, JSON, SQL and other formats also. In short, if you are working with data, Pandas makes everything simpler and faster. Now you might wondering, why use Pandas when Python already has lists and dictionaries for storing data? So Pandas is designed for efficiency and ease of use. Pandas is built on NumPy, making data handling quicker than traditional list. It can provide powerful functions for filtering, grouping, and transforming data with just a few lines of code. It is compatible with NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and scikit-learn type of library also. And in real-world application, it is used in finance, healthcare, marketing, machine learning, and many more sectors. So instead of manually processing data in Excel or writing long Python loops, Pandas allows us to work more efficiently. So before we can start using Pandas, we need to install it, and the installation process is simple. You need to open your command prompt or terminal and just type pip install Pandas and hit enter. But make sure while executing this line, you are having working internet to install this Pandas library. And once installed, Pandas is ready to use. Now that you have Pandas installed, you need to import it into your code. And the standard convention to import the Pandas is you need to type as a first line import Pandas as PD. And here PD is a short alias for Pandas which help us write cleaner code. So Pandas is must-have library for data analysis in Python. We explored that Pandas is its importance, installation, and how to import it. In the next sessions, we will dive deeper into data manipulation and real-world applications. Thank you for joining this session and looking forward to see you all in the next lecture.